What were your favorite parts of studying Yiddish as a language?
It seems to me, at least it seems to me, and I'm not a linguist, but it seems to me that it's just such a interesting, like, idiomatic language, you know? Whereas, like, the grammar has seemed to me to always be very easy to, like, understand the basics of the grammar, you know? But, like, so many different idioms and, like, just various different sayings and ways of saying something that seem to be so complicated and complex, but also so rich in, like, meaning and usage that I think that was something that always at least grabbed my attention very much, yeah. So I think when I really started getting into language, when I was in undergrad and I was doing like biblical Hebrew, it was like all this time I had been reading the Bible in English, and then when I started reading it in biblical Hebrew, it was like the sheer poetics of it just like became something that became like, you know, like part of my field of experience all of a sudden, you know. The sound of the way that, you know, that this literature would have been like read, you know, and understood was interesting. I think Yiddish did a very similar thing for another kind of like, you know, area of literature that had just been kind of untouched.